Hey y'all, I'm Jessie James Decker and welcome to our beach house here in Panama City Beach, Florida. Come on in. So the Panhandle is really special to me and my family. I grew up coming here to this area and I always thought, okay, maybe one day I can grow up and have a dream beach house here, and I do now. There's just nothing like it. It's my happy place, truly. So let me give you a little tour of the main floor. It's an open floor plan because we really wanted this to be the landing space where everybody hangs out. These doors open completely and it's just, you feel like you're inside and outside at the same time. The water is just this beautiful emerald color and the sand feels like sugar under your feet. We've got this gorgeous bar here with the floating shelves. We wanted it to just feel fun. I didn't want it to feel too stuffy. I wanted you to feel like you could just come lay on the furniture. I wanted it to feel warm and cozy and earthy, but also really enhance the environment. So I wanted the palms and I wanted the really cool beach little tchotchkes everywhere. I wanted it to feel thematic and feel different than our home back in Nashville. I think we did that. So when it came time to design the kitchen, I needed it to be perfect for me. So because this part of the home is so open, I wanted it to be not only beautiful, but functional. I was obsessed with these chandeliers. They're these beautiful bamboo. They set the tone for this room. You've got this big, beautiful black stone island. Amazing to cook on. I can be as messy as I want because I am a messy cook, let me tell you. And then we've got this incredible 6-burner stove range. So I'm gonna make my kids' favorite monkey bread, and you're gonna follow along with me. It's biscuits, and you melt the butter and brown sugar. So I come from a long line of cooks, but I didn't really start cooking until I met my husband, who was in the NFL for 8 years, and I realized I had a really hungry football player on my hands. And then before I knew it, I started writing cookbooks. Let's get these biscuits sugared up. All right, now we're gonna add the caramel. Ooh, look at that. All right, we're gonna pop it in the oven. Let it bake for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna give you the rest of the tour. So obviously we cannot talk about the dining room without talking about the dining table. I wanted this table to have that really nice dark black color. The chairs are a great leather, easy to clean, and we're always entertaining, so I needed it to be large and be able to fit a lot of people over here. And funny enough, this super large pendant almost didn't make it because my husband thought it was gonna be a little too big for this room, but I'm really glad that we did it, and it really is its own little moment. All right, we've got a few more minutes before the monkey bread is ready, so let me show you where the real magic happens. I'm really excited to show you our bedroom. So we designed this massive headboard. That way when you walk around this corner, it's like a little secret. And then here we are. It's beautiful, it's leather, it's upholstered. We've got these great little sconces here for reading. Not that we do a lot of reading in this room, if I'm being honest, but this is the focus. This view that we wake up to, Eric and I leave these doors open all night long so we can hear those waves crashing. This is truly my favorite room in the entire house. And now for the bathroom. I really wanted our bathroom here to feel like a spa, which is why we have the really earthy tones again, all the neutrals. We've got this beautiful waterfall edge marble here. And of course, a huge shower because I have a huge husband who needs a lot of space. And of course, there's plenty of room for me to join too. All right, you've seen the bedroom, and now the monkey bread is ready. Ooh-wee! Oh, that looks great. All right, let's head to the best view in the whole place. Now this is the best part of the house. This is the whole reason we built this home. This view, this patio, this truly is our happy place. And so is monkey bread. I'm gonna steal a bite. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. In my Panhandle paradise. And I'll see you next time. Y'all want a bite?
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?